Hey guys, I just want to show you a short case study about cloud links and this website that I built cloud links to. So the website in question is Things with Fur. And it's a website that I made last year with fully all AI content. And let me just hop in, and I want to show you something interesting, because we go back here. Let's see. Things with Fur. You can actually see that there was a period where it was down to 0% visibility. So apparently Google didn't like the AI content until it started liking it again. And then it just, jumps up in visibility. So I don't know what's going on, because it is 100% AI content. And in the beginning, Google didn't like it until they started liking it again. So yeah, who knows? But anyway, I just want to experiment. So I took this keyword here, Ferminated Adjustable Dematting Review. So a Ferminator adjustable dematting tool. Let's just Google it. So this guy here. So this is a brush, I think, for if you have a dog and then you're grooming the fur of the dog, and that's what this tool is used for. So what I did was I built a mini cloud site that has, let's just see here, to open, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 articles. So 5 articles in total. That's what I built around the topic of a Ferminator adjustable dematting tool. So what I did was I went into yacss. I built a topical map. So I just clicked here, topical map, and clicked add new map. My target keyword was Ferminator. Let me just copy here. So this was my target keyword. Client is myself. And then I defined what this is, because I mean, it's, if you don't know what it is, it's not obvious, and probably not obvious for the large language models, right? But anyway, I defined what it is. Audience is of course dog lovers, negative keywords, and then I made this topical map here. Let's go back and let me find the actual topical map that I used. This one here. So this is what it looks like. And you can see here that the audience is, of course, pet owners. They want to maintain the fur of their dogs. And the reason it's a good idea to actually be careful when you are creating topical maps in yacss is that we actually put this into the prompts that we use to produce the output, so the topics and the blog titles. So anyway, let me just close here. So these are the 6 topics that it produced. Let me just expand. And these are the 3 blog titles that is produced beneath each of these main topics. So you can see here, benefits of regular dog grooming, discuss the advantages of regular grooming for dogs, such as improved coat health, reduced shedding, and enhanced bonding with the pet. So this description is something that is produced not by me, it's produced by the AI machine, because the topical map builder does go in. Let's see here, data. Oh no, that's not the one. Info. Yeah, so I did enter the seed URL. So yacss does visit this URL, scrape the information, extract the entities and keywords and all of that in order to be able to produce these topics here. So what I did then was I went into the mass page builder. I clicked import from topical map, and then I selected, I think it was this one actually. So then I just selected a couple of articles that I wanted to produce. So I selected 5. So let's just take these as an example. And then I selected my prompt. And actually, if you're a member of the Facebook group for yacss, you do have access to the prompts. So you can just use the prompts that I use. And then I think I also used the modification prompts. And that's all I did. I also did add some images. Don't want to show that here, but that's literally all I did in order to produce the content in this website. So, and now this website that I'm showing you here has 4 pages. In my example, I produced 5 pages. And let me just see if I can find it. Yeah, I think that, let's see here. I think it was one of these cloud sites here. Probably this one. Let's see here. No, it's a nice picture. Terminated link building. Yeah, this one. Yeah, so this was the website. So this was the website that was produced, and then I simply click upload to clouds, generate stack, and this is a special way of building cloud sites. Generate stack. I think that most of you yacss users, you're not using this generate stack. The reason that I like generate stack is that you can actually build an interlinked cloud site that is uploaded to more than one type, more than one cloud type. So it is a website, because you can see here. Let's go over to Firefox. So you can see here, avoid common pitfalls. This is on Amazon. How to safely remove matted hair. This is on Backblaze. Avoid common pitfalls. This is on Linode, and so on and so on and so forth. So this is a nice feature that we have in yacss, that you can select an account, select a bucket. This things with fur. See if I can find it. Am I blind? Terminator. Here it is. And let's just call it 5. What I'm doing now is I'm generating a directory inside of this buckets, and then I'm clicking add. Many of you have probably not seen this before, but when I clicked add, when I scroll down, I can actually see that now Terminator review, that's the bucket name, and 5, that's the folder name. And you'll be able to see here that I'm generating 5 pages, right? So these are the 5 pages. And the first page will be placed in Amazon. Second page will be placed in Vulture. Terminator. I'll just call it 1. I mean, this is just an example. Add. And then I can just keep on adding cloud buckets here. So the advantage of doing this is that you can select your own cloud buckets and your own cloud sites, and you can, create and generate the cloud site using the setup that is fitting for your needs. So, I mean, if you don't have OVH, of course, then obviously don't select that. If you don't have iDrive, don't select that. If you only have Amazon Azure and Google Cloud and Backblaze, then just select these 4. And just show you Backblaze. Let me see, 4 here. Good. And add. So let's say that I only have 3 cloud sites, but I have 5 pages. What happens if I click upload? Well, let's wait and see. So the first page will be uploaded to Amazon. The next page will be uploaded to Vulture. The third page will be uploaded to Backblaze. So the 4th page will then be uploaded to Amazon again, and the 5th will be uploaded to Vulture. So it cycles between these pages. You can also make it random by selecting this checkbox. I never do that personally. I just upload them in the order that I want them, but you can do that. So I can download the CSV file with all of the URLs. So we have them here. Okay, you can actually see that this is the page on Vulture. Let's see here. Backblaze. Backblaze is also working. That's how you upload with the stack builder here. So the stack builder here, or the stack generator, is not identical to this tool. This stack builder is built on the premise that you create stacks that looks like this. So you kind of have tiered link building. What I just showed you to create a site that looks like this, like this. This is a website. This is not a stack, but it's also a website that's interlinked and is placed on different buckets. So I uploaded this website the 12th of November. And let's see here. So the prior to the upload of this website, the rankings were fluctuating between 16, 6, 13, 6, 11, 13, and then 14 and 17. So it was fluctuating a little bit up and down. But then I uploaded these 5 cloud sites and cloud links, and I uploaded it at the 13th of November or at the 12th of November. And I created this node at the 13th of November. And let's just zoom in a little bit. So what I noticed is that after I uploaded these cloud links, it seems to me that the rankings didn't actually fluctuate that much anymore. So it kind of like stabilized the rankings. And that's one thing. And the other thing is that over the period of, was it 6 weeks since I uploaded this, I've seen the steadily increased improvement of the ranking. So now it's ranking somewhere around position 4, seems to have stabilized at position 4. So we went from position 9 for this keyword to a position 4 for this keyword. And the thing is that these cloud pages or these cloud sites, let's take, hold on. So 4 out of 5 pages are indexed. I think that the Amazon is, no, I think that the Backblaze is not indexed. Let's see here. Yeah, let's check. Yeah, just check. So that 4 out of the 5 pages are still indexed. And I think that we have a good indexing rate when we are building cloud sites like this, because the cloud pages are interlinked. So avoid common pitfalls goes to another cloud page. Avoid common pitfalls goes to another cloud page. So Amazon links to Backblaze, links to Wasabi, links to Linode, links to DigitalOcean. So the 5 cloud pages are interlinked across various buckets. And I think it's interesting. I always try to copy, and then I always try to see and search Google. So avoid common pitfalls in dog grooming. Can I see it ranking? And I can actually see these guys ranking. So this is ranking number 1 for this. I know it's long tail keywords. That doesn't take away from the fact that it is ranking. I'm not sure that it's, let's see, I'm not sure that it's used as a citation in the ARVO. No, it's not. But it is actually ranking number 1, the Amazon. So let's check the dog grooming checklist. Here, hold on. How to safely remove matted hair from dogs. So this was the Backblaze, so that's not indexed, so that's of course not ranking. So let's check the avoid common pitfalls. This is interesting, guys, because you can see that it's used as an AI citation. The Linode objects avoid common pitfalls when using dematting tools, and it's also ranking number 1 here. And let's go back. Checklist for choosing the right dog dematting tool. Good. DigitalOcean is used as a AI citation, and also the Linode is used as an AI citation, and it's ranking number 1. copy link here. I'm just checking here. That's the Wasabi. Let's check the Wasabi. Dog grooming checklists, AI overview, and Wasabi is ranking #1. So I get questions about, well, are these cloud sites still ranking? Are the cloud pages, are they still ranking? Well, of course, it depends on the competition, right? It's not a competitive keyword. But it doesn't take away from the fact that they are ranking, and they are ranking #1. And I believe that the reason that they rank well is that they are interlinked, and also because of the way that we produce the content now. We produce the content using this prompting system inside of yacss. So when you're creating mass page websites, you are importing topical maps here, import from topical map. You are using prompts. I mean, I hope you are, because that's what I'm doing. And you can actually also use prompts to produce special content. That's relatively new. That's why the special content prompts was not used for this website, because I didn't do that at that time. But all of that just means that the quality of it is AI content, but the quality of the AI content is just so much better right now than what we had before. And the quality of the AI content is also better in the mass page builder now than it is in the AI website builder. I'm not using the AI website builder. We do have it. And I know that some of you also still use this. For me, I just find it more flexible and more to my liking to use the mass page builder, because I can go down into prompts. Let's find it here. Prompts. I can go down to the prompts, and then I can specify the outline prompts, the content prompts, the modification prompts, the FAQ prompts. I didn't even show you that, but the FAQ prompts, the article prompts, the special content prompts. We have so many prompts now that we can use in the yacss mass page builder system. So it's just, I mean, it's just a nice thing to have this flexibility. And when you combine that with the new templates that we have built, like the Gardinbus template and the cafe template, just makes it possible now to make even nicer websites than just using the classic template, which I'm personally using each time. Not anymore, because now we have the new templates, but I was using the classic template each time. But now we have these guys also. And also the portal is also nice. Yeah, so it's just an update video of how to build these cloud sites, but also an update on what is the efficiency, can it actually move rankings. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. See you in the next one.